my channel. My name is Kennedy, but you can call me Bougie Babe. And in today's video, I will be doing a review on the Emerging Hair Company. So thank you to Emerge Hair and Influencer for sending me some free complimentary products. So I got this here, and look, their packaging so cute. It's like this cute teal blue. Look at, please don't drop it, Kennedy. Look at their packaging, it's so cute. I gotta do voice. So let's read it and see. So this card says, introducing Emerge, a new brand of clean hair products designed for the natural girl who's just as innovative as her coily, curly, and wavy styles. Whether it's braids, twist outs, or well-defined wash and go, her creativity shines through with every hairstyle she rocks. Powered by almond milk and PQ oil, Emerge keeps your curls and coils moisturized and defined. Our moisture-rich products are friendly with no nasties, such as sulfate, parabens, phthalates, silicones, mineral oils, petroleum, or dyes. With the Emerge collection, naturals are free to be themselves and embrace their carefree curls naturally. It's so long. Our goal is to enable the next generation to embrace their creativity in every endeavor, including how they style their hair. So I received 3 products. I received their shampoo, their conditioner, and their leave-in conditioner to do for my hair. Right now my hair is done up. It's an updo. I recently used all these products, so if you see that they're open, I used it. And I'm going to give you my review on it. It's been a couple days, so let's see how my hair went. The first product is the Emerge It's Not Happening sulfate-free shampoo for cleansing and detangling with almond milk, which I love that they don't use actual milks and stuff, even though most times they don't. So it is for moisture rich, frizz-free, curl defiant, and it also it's supposed to be detangling as well. It's supposed to apply to wet hair, lather it and rinse, repeat if necessary. It's supposed to have 100% gentle cleansers, no damaging chemicals, powered by nature, and for naturally curly textures. So what did I think about the shampoo? I could go without it, honestly. They don't have a website or any social medias up right now, so I wasn't sure whether it was also supposed to combat itchiness for the scalp, because as like my skin, my scalp be dry. So I wanted to know if it combated itchiness, because it didn't relieve my itchiness at all. Like, I had to do a hot oil treatment just to feel a little bit better after the shampooing. So I was just kind of like my hair felt clean. If that makes it any better. I definitely felt my hair cleaned. Definitely saw the dirt in the products and the edge control out my hair. But I definitely did have to wash my hair twice. I usually part my hair in half, wash one side, wash the other, and then go to my conditioner. I felt like I needed to use this twice, so it's not something I would reach for. If it was the only thing I had, I would use it. However, it's not like something that's a fave. However, the smell of all the products here, it smells so good, and it's not overpowering, which I hate. I've learned to kind of not care for the overpowering shea butter, coconut oil, and all those other smells, because it just, I don't want someone to be able to smell me 2 miles away. I don't care if I smell good or not. It's just like, now you know I'm coming. What if I wanted to be a surprise? What if I wanted to be a treat for somebody? They obviously know what the surprising gift is, me. But this smell just smells so good, and even with all 3 products in your hair, you can smell it, but it's not overpowering or too much. I love it. But the shampoo, it definitely has more of a thick consistency. I'm not gonna pour it on my hand, but it definitely has more of a thick consistency like all the other 2 products. So I do like it, but it's okay. You know, it gets 2.5, 3 stars out of me. The next one is the Emerge Smooth Mover Conditioner. It is moisturizing and softening, infused again with almond milk. It is the easy way to soften the curls and swirls. You apply it to clean hair, leave it on for 3 minutes, and rinse it. It's powered by nature, no damaging chemicals, and again for natural curly textures. So the conditioner, I actually would give this 4 stars. I liked the conditioner. It was nice and soft. Like, my hair felt softer in 3 minutes. Usually I like to leave my conditioner on for about 10 minutes because I like my hair really soft. So the fact that in like 3 minutes tops my hair already felt as soft as it would be with a 10-minute conditioner, I'm just like, I'm blown away, to be honest. It also has a very thick consistency, which I like. Us curly hair girls, you know, we like the thickness, especially for my thick hair. So, and it has that same just, oh, it's such an earthy smell. It just smells so good. I love it. But I would definitely go for this again. It definitely makes the curls soft. Again, with the scalp, my scalp was just going to have to be dry. I was just going to have to be over it. However, I do like the consistency. I love the smell. I love how this works, and I would definitely grab this. So I would give this a 4 out of 5. The only reason I'm not giving it a 5 out of 5 is because I have a homemade leave-in conditioner that I kind of use as a conditioner as well, that I feel like just gives me better results. My hair is always shiny and soft. This just made my hair kind of softer. It didn't really give me the shine I was going to be looking for. That will be in the last product that I have here in the box. But I just thought it was, you know, very good conditioner. Definitely something I like. And I haven't liked a conditioner like this since Cream of Nature. And I don't know if they're changing up their formula or my hair is just not as with it anymore. But I had to, you know, switch it up. So for the last product, oh no, wait a minute. Oh, so why are these both purple and this one's green? Did you guys notice? These both are purple and that one's green. But okay, we just gonna leave it. The last product is the My Main BFF Leave-In Conditioner for Naturals. It is nourishing and smoothing, and also fights the frizz-free. It's supposed to give you frizz-free curls, here to stay, powered by nature, no damaging chemicals, for natural curly textures. I like the leave-in conditioner. I actually would reach for the leave-in conditioner from time to time. However, it is not frizz-free like it said. I got frizz literally after I diffused my hair, and I barely touch my hair because, you know, us curly girls, we know, don't touch your hair, don't play in your hair unless, you know, you want frizz. And so I usually don't touch my hair unless I'm like quickly styling it. And once I diffuse it, I usually leave it alone for a little bit. I let it air dry and just deal with whatever I came up with. My hair felt so, it just looked frizzy after, once it air dried, maybe like 20-30 minutes. I had good bouncy curls, I looked cute, and then after that it was just like, yeah, it was really like frizzy in the back. And I wish I had a picture. I'm not sure if I do. If I do, I will definitely show it in the screen. However, it was just like, this is not frizz free. Is my hair soft? Yes, but my hair was soft with the conditioner, so I could have just left the conditioner and then called it a day and used my own leave-in conditioner that I received from my coworker Angie. She makes conditioners. So I was kind of just thinking to myself, I don't need this leave-in. However, I do love the smell, and I do love that it's a completed collection, so I did use it, of course. And I mean, I have no problems with it. It definitely made my hair soft as well. Made it softer, really, and just gave it a nice little smell to it. It did what it does for leave-in conditioner, you know, kind of keep that softness going. However, I didn't feel like it was frizz-free or did anything special. It didn't wow me in the gut, like it didn't punch me in the gut like, hey, you know, when I first tried it and I did a review, I believe on their website or with Influencer, I actually praised the leave-in conditioner because I liked how soft it made my hair. Once I realized and actually started like looking in the mirror and looking at my hair, sorry, I'm sick, but looking at my hair, especially after using it more times in doing my hair, such as like hairstyles like this or just doing twists, it didn't really have a shine to it. It didn't really give me a shine at all. It was more just softness, which I'm okay with. I mean, leave-in conditioner is supposed to make your hair soft. However, I would have liked a little shine or something else with the leave-in conditioner that would have made it stand out and made it a better product than most of the natural hair products on the market. So that is my review for all three of these products. I do love the mission statement and, you know, the purpose of the company. I definitely do believe that a lot of girls are starting to go more natural and that we're embracing our natural curls, which I love. You know, I've never gotten a permanent relaxer, so I can't personally say like, oh, I lost my curls or I hated them. However, I did do a lot of heat damage, so I did lose a little bit of my curl pattern. So working it back up from senior year of high school to really like senior year of college now, you know, it's definitely been a growth period for me. I do love the mission statement. I do love the reason as to why they opened the company. I personally just want to give some tips. Leave-in conditioner can at least give us a little bit of shine. Conditioner is great. I have no qualms about it. It's great. Shampoo, some of us have dry scalp, some of us have oily. I'm not sure. I do understand this is just more for cleaning the hair, but if y'all could throw in a little bit of stuff for the scalp, you know, for the dry or the oily scalps, you know, I'm just saying, you know, it'd be nice. My scalp was out here like itch, pat, I ain't got no weave, so Shampoo. But that is my review for the Emerge hair products. Again, thank you so much to Influencer and to Emerge Hair Company. I hope you guys get to see this as well. Well, y'all will. And I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, because I don't understand why you're not. You're slacking in 2020. Subscribe. Hit the bell. Turn me up. Turn me on. And I will see you guys in my next video. So, bye babes.